Okay, so let's talk about division on polynomials. Kung may long division, meron ding synthetic division. Pero alam ko naman na familiar na kayo sa long division. Pero kung hindi pa, let me know in the comment section para ma-discuss ko siya sa susunod natin na video. But in this case, let's talk about first the synthetic division. Okay, ano ba yung synthetic division and paano ba ito ginagawa? So, ang synthetic division po ay isang method for manually performing Euclidean division of polynomials with less writing and fewer calculation than long divisions. So, mas easy po itong gawin compared to long division kasi dito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-solve ng napagkahaba-haba para lang gawin yung division on polynomials. Let's have an example. Divide x raised to 4 minus 10x squared minus 9x minus 10 by x minus 4. Okay, first let's draw a line. Ayan. Sa synthetic division po, ang ginagamit po natin dito is yung coefficient ng mga term. And kapag po nakita ninyo na may missing power of x, required po na lagyan po ninyo ng 0 para po ensure na yung mga value po ng coefficient ay aligned correctly during the division process para maiwasan din po yung error. Let's start doing synthetic division. First, we're going to get the coefficient ng mga term. Mag-start tayo kay x raised to 4. Ano yung coefficient ni x raised to 4? Di ba meron siyang invisible 1 dyan? So, ang lalagay po natin dito is 1. And then, kung makikita nyo po, meron tayong missing power of x. Ano yun? Yung x cubed, di ba? So, ang ilalagay kapag merong missing power of x is 0. So, lagyan natin 0 and then proceed tayo dito. Negative 10, negative 9, and then negative 10. And then this part po, equate lang natin siya sa 0. X is minus 4 is equal to 0. If we're going to change the position, magiging positive na yon. So, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Ayan. So, yun po yung ilalagay natin sa left side. Ayan. Since nailagay na po natin yung mga coefficient ng mga term, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa pagsasolve. So, first, bring down lang po natin si 1, and then multiply po natin kay 4. So, 1 times 4 is 4. Lagay po natin si 4 dito, and then add po natin 0 plus 4 is 4. And then, repeat the process po. 4 times 4 is 16. Lagay natin dito, and then add negative 10 plus 16 is positive 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Lagay natin dito, and then add ulit. Negative 9 plus 24 is 15. And then 15 times 4 is 60. So, lagay natin dito 60, and then add negative 10 plus 60 is positive 50. So, 50. Ayan. After that po, pwede na po natin ilagay yung variables po nila. Lagay lang po natin 1. And then, kung makikita nyo po, ang pinaka-highest power po is 4. So, minus 1 lang po natin, magiging x cube. So, 1x cube plus, itong part po na to, 4x squared. And then, to naman po, plus 6x. And then, itong part po na to, plus 15. And then, itong part, yung last part po is the remainder. So, lagay lang po natin plus 50 over the divisor. Ano po yung divisor? X minus 4. So, ibig sabihin po, kapag dinivide po natin ito dito, ang magiging sagot po nila is ito po. Nagigets po. Okay, so that's how we do synthetic division.